रोज रोज का पावर कट, नॉनसेंस।
पावर कट्स जिंदगी की खुशियां न छीन ले। इसीलिए वी गार्ड इन्वर्टर्स और बैटरी, फुल टाइम पावर, नॉन स्टॉप खुशियां।
Deputy Speaker of Meghalaya Assembly Timothy D. Sira today filed a defamation case of 100 crore rupees in the East Khasi Hills District Court. It is known that he has filed this case against Mikkanchi Sangma of Gwalpara and Balsaran Marak of North Garo Hills. One of them is a YouTuber and the other is a social media user. They are accused of falsely exaggerating the speech given by the Deputy Speaker in the Assembly and broadcasting it on YouTube and social media.
Two, say regarding my speech in the Assembly with regard to the making Chura the winter capital. So there, I think you have the record of my speech. So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the House, they have made flash in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, the making Chura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That name is Garo.
What is the today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. In a criminal defamation, we can prove our allegation, then they will be punished as per the criminal law. And we have also filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken. My client, Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly. Against that, they have made a video whereby allegation was made, certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client